Welcome back to Houston Life. Ace Berry, owner of Ace in Full Bloom and Full Sheer Floral Design, is a proud Texan who's made the journey from a career in oil and gas to the art of floral design.
Yeah, it's pretty inspiring. He's created a name for himself in the world of flowers. He's TV appearances, he's won awards, and the chance to create floral masterpieces for global events. So Ace in Studio B to catch up with us. Now, before you walk us through this centerpiece that we're not going to do as beautiful as you would ever do it, but we're going to try our best and we're going to give people at home tips.
I believe in you.
Thank you. Thank you for saying that.
Trust.
Okay, well, you know what? Tell people a little bit about your background, because what is that journey, oil and gas, and then, okay, you're doing floral arrangements. How did that work out?
Talk about a pivot. People say pivot. That's a pivot.
2007, got called into an office and they said, hey, you're getting laid off. And as soon as that happened, I told myself I wanted to do something recession-proof, and flowers is what it was.
Wow.
And I put both feet into that basket and just ran with it and told myself I was going to study.
Did you just jump straight into it? Did you know you wanted to do it? Or was there a moment where you were like, oh, I've lost my job? Like, it's like the rug's pulled out from under you.
I was scared at first, but then I just told myself, this is something that interests me. Yeah. I delivered flowers when I was in high school. Yeah. So I was like, this is going to be so fun. This is going to be so good. And I just ran after it.
Oh my God.
Just chased it as fast as I could.
And people contacted you. So you had an Instagram following that was good. I mean, 1,200 followers. That's a good amount of followers for something that you do out in Fulshire. You're like, okay, I'm doing this business. And then you were contacted. People said, hey, you got something going on over there. You don't look like a classic florist.
Yes.
And then what happened?
So November of 2019, I got contacted by HBO Max and said, hey, would you be interested in doing a floral competition show? And I signed on. I literally was just like, yeah, sure. I'm a big component of everything I do is always say yes.
Yeah.
So just say yes no matter what. And I jumped on and
how'd you do? How'd you do?
Well, since you can't see it anymore because it's not on HBO Max, they're trying to get it back. But I got second place.
Okay, so now
congratulations.
Second place. Listen, that's awesome. Like, we're here, like, second place, but I have a feeling you took that personally.
I did.
Yeah,
100%.
Because when you're competitive, that's what I know. That's what I know. Second place is almost like, ooh, like it almost hurts more than getting last. Because if I'm last, okay, I suck, whatever, I'm out. Second, why was I not the winner? So where did you go from there?
I just pivoted on everything, and I understood the marketing part of it, so I built a bigger brand.
Nice.
And then it led into me getting to travel to New York all the time and getting to do fun things.
Wow.
And getting to work with the New York Botanical Garden.
You're heading to New York soon.
February. I get to go to New York for my third installment of the New York Botanical Garden Orchid Dinner.
Guys, this orchid dinner, I mean, this is something spectacular. You're like really underplaying it here. You go there, you design a table. One of the tables you designed at the last one, they sell the tables.
They sell the tables.
And someone bought it for how much?
It was $200,000.
$200,000. And does that go to charity?
It all goes to benefit the New York Botanical Garden and helps out.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Okay, well, you know what? Give us some of your creativity. Show us how to work the centerpiece action.
I love being able to create, just like with household stuff and stuff that's in my garden. So a lot of this is foraged from my yard, like the evergreens and the ilex berries and stuff. Now, we got these in from different spots around the world. So I have these kits that are for DIYers.
Oh, okay, like this.
Yes, and
Oasis.
we're going to create an arrangement real fast.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. So we're going to start with our ilex berries. Y'all have Ippen scissors.
Okay.
I've got to be careful because I'm
get your scissors
my fingers
and you're just going to cut it and you're going to start inserting.
Okay.
Now the main thing about floral design that you need to know is just to smile.
Smile.
That is the only prerequisite that you have. Is to smile through the whole thing.
Mel, are you smiling? Let me check.
And
Mel looked like a deer in headlights when I checked if she was smiling. You have to smile.
Serious.
No, you have to.
Yeah.
You have to be like Ace and just believe.
And then really you do. And then
my
you're just
sister's really good at this sort of thing.
Different textures and things like that. So we're going to put in our flowers, and even when we go with our flowers, we'll go in super low and pave them in.
Okay.
So like your rose, I would cut it right at this knot and then go in short.
Okay, I always see you guys, the professionals, doing this.
What is that? Why do you do that?
So the reason why that is, it actually makes the rose bigger and it'll blow it open.
Make sure it doesn't have thorns. Make sure it doesn't have thorns, okay?
Yes.
Just so you know.
So this rose is called Country Candy, and it's a garden rose, and it'll open up really pretty. So.
Okay, here we go.
I like the smell of these.
It smells so good.
Wait, are these from your garden? No, you got these ones on.
Those are different type of lilies that are in here. So So
the pine is great.
Yes.
What is this gigantic feather? I mean, feather?
Okay,
It's
so
not a feather.
that's-
I thought it was a
Yes,
feather.
that's magnolia leaf. That is literally from my yard.
Okay, now I'm smiling.
Yes.
Okay, this is good. This
Wait,
is good.
I stole
make-
all these guys.
Yeah.
I stole all the pine cones. Sorry, everyone.
No, and then you're going to use your greens to kind of cover the foam low
Oh, okay.
and stuff like that. And just different types of greens, and you really just wanted to mix them all together and really mix all those textures.
Yeah, where can we find these? Like if someone was interested in trying to find these specific materials or...
So I found them on Amazon. They're a perfect thing. Just type in Oasis Forage.
Okay.
And you can find them. They're amazing. I really love them for the kids. Like, we're always trying to find stuff to do with our nieces and nephews and sons and daughters and all of those things.
Yeah.
So it's a good thing for during Christmas and during those holidays and times when you need something to do, and they might be just a little bit driving you crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
So-
great. And you
Instead of
end up
making
with
a
something
martini,
pretty.
yeah. Instead of
Yes.
making a martini in front of my niece, maybe I should be making one of these.
Yeah.
And support your local florist,
Yes,
right?
yeah. So then I also do like little classes out of my store to try to get people to really love flowers as much as I love flowers.
Okay, I need to switch my leaves.
This
I
is
just saw
so
the greens
beautiful. And of
go on
course,
the way out.
you
I'm
do
doing it.
Friday classes.
I
don't
do.
you?
So
Hey, I'm really proud of mine, okay,
You look
guys?
good.
I
You
think
look
it turned out
good.
okay.
You look beautiful.
and then you do that.
Wow, you made that so easy.
Here's mine. Here's the one I made for y'all.
Oh, yeah.
This is for y'all for the rest of the day.
Move over for
All right, we almost were smiling the whole time. Okay, now we get why you are so successful in your business, and we wish you got continued success.
Yes.
So when you're going to New York?
Going to New York on February 23rd.
Okay.
I'm there and then I literally go from there to the Philly Flower Show. It's just a nonstop.
Wow.
This is our local
amazing.
Houstonian representing
Yeah.
on the national scale. So I mean, you're doing
I try.
it, dude.
I try.
You're doing it.
From a layoff in oil and gas to this.
To making a
and-
career.
Yeah.
Literally turning my whole life around. So
Now no one can ever lay you off again.
Really quickly, what advice do you have for someone who's like on the ledge or trying
On
to
the
maybe
ledge?
jump into something that's their passion?
what I would say is just lean into it. No matter what, like if you give everything you have to that one thing, you won't fail at it. Because you're so scared of failure that you're going to work extra hard.
There you go. There you
So,
go.
yeah.
Little fear can be a great motivator.
Fear is the best motivator.
Ace Berry, thank you. Full Shirt Floral Design is open tomorrow until 3. So you can still get same-day delivery until 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Oh, wow,
We're going to
that's
put
good.
Ace's information on our website, houstonlife.tv. All right, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. I'm going to
Yes.
I'm gonna do
I love it. That's beautiful.